guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Arduino IDE on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for Arduino, and the first result which will appear here will be the Arduino website. So this is the Arduino website, which is arduino.cc, right? So just enter into this website, and the first thing which we will do here is to download the Arduino executable, right? So in this website we need to go to the downloads section, so just click download, and I can see here there is a Windows installer here, so I can just install this using this Windows installer. So just click Windows installer, which is going to download the executable file for the Windows. And in here, if you want to contribute, because it's an open source project which will depend upon your contribution, so if you want, you can just give some of the dollars which you want, or otherwise you can just say just download and you don't want to contribute, right? And this is going to download this Arduino windows.exe file. So just wait for the download to complete. It's going to take around a few seconds to a minute to download it, and after it will download, we are going to continue to install this Arduino IDE. Now once the executable is downloaded, you just need to run it, and once it runs, you just need to follow the instructions. So let me minimize my browser, and I will wait for the installation to start first of all. And the installation has been started. So first grant the control, so just click yes here, and in here just read the document and agreement, and then just say I agree. We want to install all the things, so just click next, and this is the location where it will be installed, so just click install, which is going to start the installation process of Arduino IDE. Now in between you will say some permissions if you want to give the permission or not, and then you just need to press OK in that situation. So let's let the process run, and we will go step by step, right? So it's extracting all the things, so just wait for this to go to the 100%, this progress bar, and then we will continue. Okay, so now it says, would you like to install this device software for Arduino USB driver? You just need to click install and then continue, and this time it again asks, and you just need to click install once again. And now you can see the installation is complete. You will be able to see this message completed, and then you can close this wizard. And I can see on my desktop also there is Arduino icon which I can click, and this is going to start the Arduino IDE, right? So just double click on this icon, and this is going to start this Arduino IDE. And in here you just need to give the access to this software, so just say allow access, and you can see the Arduino IDE has been started now, right? Now in order to connect or flash your Arduino, any Arduino, you just need to go to your folder explorer, and then go to your PC and right click on your PC, and then here click manage. And in here, first of all, you need to insert your Arduino hardware, and using this hardware you will be able to connect to the Arduino IDE also. So first insert your hardware, and in this computer management, click device manager, and when you have inserted your Arduino hardware correctly, you will be able to see your Arduino here under the ports. Right now I haven't connected Arduino IDE, so I don't see any Arduino, but when you connect your hardware correctly, then you will be able to see this Arduino here, and then you will be able to flash it using your Arduino IDE. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye.